Hey guys, so I'm sort of just migrating everything to Notion, and I kind of wanted to show you what I have going on here. So this will probably be the new project management solution over Monday.com. Built-in calendar, built-in wiki that's being worked on, and then there's going to be a personal finance tracker, so getting started. And then you have home, personal finance tracker. This is probably going to need to be worked on. Then you have tasks. Again, we'll need to migrate all this. Projects, sprint board, meetings, engineering wiki, sprints and docs, obviously. And this is sort of going to be the replacement solution to Monday.com, which is currently this sprint because Monday.com is a bit on a trial period right now, but pretty much all the stuff I have to do is now going to be put in this centralized wiki for Notion. And then I'll also attach images. So a good example would be, let's see. Well, a good example would be that image that we have for Excalidraw. So let's see if we could just go there. Yes. So proposed Stark chain tech stack. So if you look at user need activity, and then you can sort of zoom in, right? So Hasura API instance, Snowflake Brightspace integration, Postgres from Supabase, decentralized internet SDK instance. So potentially run manifest.json and the package.json file. And then Arduino Cloud API key, Balena Etcher monitoring, so Balena Cloud Instance PM 2.0 monitoring, and then potential Bitbadges API integration per device per user, founder activities, so any continued patent prosecution or legal paperwork and correspondence, potential grant application I want to work on for Saudi Vision 2030. There's some personal stuff over there. Start Global Initiative, video drip feed for Bit Badges and the Udemy course. Dora Hacks, Hackathon for Bit Badges, Brand Ambassador Program, new board announcement. So still working on a new board announcement and potential video series for ESP32. Potential Indiegogo relaunch for the Moonstat Academy course. And then I have the Kickstarter campaigns. Antenna design, printing plus video of amount, proof of computation white paper, potential internship program, translator program, BitBadges product hunt, BitBadges Bitcoin talk, Start Global Initiative agreement, eBay store, brand announcements as Gross Kitchen, and all this cool other stuff. So I have stuff like cost and equipment needs. So things that I might get in the future would be like thermal imaging camera, sonar monitor, and then patent application costs, manufacturing, product design, press releases, all that all that stuff. I know it's kind of conseculated right now, but this is again not at all final, nothing to do with it, subject to change, all that stuff. But pretty much this is all that's going on in terms of keeping everything organized.